Hey friends, if wireless or Wi-Fi capacity is turned off in Windows, if you get this error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first resolution will be to use the network adapter troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. And then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select troubleshoot, then select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. The next solution will be to check the physical switch, because at times there is a switch on your keyboard which allows you to turn the network on and off, and this can be used with the function key. So Fn plus there's some function key from F1 to F11 that you can press in combination to turn the switch on and off. Also, right click on the start button and select settings, go to the network tab, and there is a Wi-Fi switch here, the software switch. So one was a physical switch, one is the software switch. Make sure that this is also turned on. The next solution will be to install the latest Wi-Fi drivers. Okay, search for device manager, open the device manager window. Now expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the MediaTek one and select update drivers and search automatically for drivers. I missed this solution because it will be covered in the last one with network reset. The next solution will be to enable the Wi-Fi wireless adapter, which we have already done. Right click and then go to network and internet and then enable it. Okay. Also, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl. Okay. Make sure that this is in green. If not, right click and enable it. Right now it's mentioned disable because in my system it's enabled, but if it is disabled it will mention enable here, so enable it. The last solution is a network reset, which will reset all network parameters. It's like running many commands in one simple click. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings, select network reset and then click on reset now, and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.